Hi there, Rachael Barton from A to Z Business Consultants here. Just a quick tutorial to explain and show how to customize your LinkedIn URL. Doing that is a great idea to secure your name for the first and foremost, but a nice short URL fits nice and easy on a business card, or it's just easier for you to remember. So it's a great little trick that LinkedIn lets you do. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, you log into your LinkedIn account. I've logged into mine here. I just go to linkedin.com and then log into your account. So once you go into LinkedIn, you will need to select this drop down here near your Me icon and select View Profile. And that will take you to this page here. And then you scroll up here to the right hand side of your page and select Edit Public URL, and it brings you to this page here. Up here, you're able to personalize your URL for your profile, so you can press the little pencil here and it will give you access to the portion of your URL after linkedin.com /in/, and then you can customize this section here. I've customized it to my name, Rachael Barton. You can customize it to your name. If that is taken, you will see when you hit save that this will throw an error. Here it said success, but if it throws an error, then some ideas are just to put a numeral behind it or a numeral in front of it, and that might change the problem you're having. So once you've done that, to get back to LinkedIn, you just select this up the top right hand corner and it will take you back to your live feed. If you want to go back to your profile, then go to the Me icon and then back to your profile. So thanks very much for your time. That's how to customize your personal URL on LinkedIn. If you have any comments, I encourage you to please leave them. If you would like to like this video, that would be much appreciated. If you would prefer or if you would like to request another video, then please do that in the comments section. And last but not least, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I look forward to seeing you next time.